Have you ever wondered what the difference is between freestyles and combos in pen spinning? The answer is really quite simple. Or is it? It seems like the answer might not be as black and white as you thought. First, I'll tell you the most obvious definition first, then I'll explain the complex part. So first, as most of you know, a freestyle is when you spin to your heart's content, just doing whatever you want in the moment. That's what a freestyle is. Now, a combo is a combination of linkages, and a linkage is a combination of tricks. The point where it crosses from a trick to a linkage to a combo is blurry enough, but it's safe to say that anything 9 seconds or more is definitely a combo, and I'd say around 6 to 8 seconds is a bit sketchy to call a combo, and anything less than 5 seconds is definitely a linkage. Now, what does this have to do with freestyles? From the title of this video, you might have inferred that I'm saying combos are the opposite of freestyles, but this couldn't be further from the truth. When I say combo, you might think planned combo, but combos can actually be freestyles too. A freestyle can be a combo, linkage, or even trick. I believe the true definition of a freestyle is when you do not plan anything you're going to do from when you start spinning. You just start spinning fully off of muscle memory. This can last even longer than normal combos, and that's why some of you might think of freestyles as being those combination of linkages that seem to last forever. Now, even though a freestyle is when you don't plan to do anything before you start, there are such things as half freestyles, where you plan just a section of what to do. For example, you're recording a combo, but you can only plan the ending linkage. Everything else before that is a freestyle. This means there can be individual freestyles in between inside the combo. So, can you call the whole combo a freestyle? I think not. Many people still do, but I believe it's more of a combo with only a section that's a freestyle. Now, what's the best for improvement? Undoubtedly, the only right answer is a planned combo. Making planned linkages and then planned combos when you can are definitely the best thing for improving. In fact, mindless restyling is probably one of the worst things you can do for improving, because you're just reinforcing bad habits. You should instead perform mindful practice towards a specific goal always. But there are some benefits of mindful freestyles. Check out my video on that if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.